Hello, I'm Showmodí, Yuri, a reporter in Sinhua News Agency. Right now I'm in the city center of Liviv, a major city in western Ukraine. As you can see, there are still quite some people on the streets now, but they're going to go back soon because the curfew is going to be imposed. As you can see, there are a lot of people on the streets right now, but way less than there were 3 days ago because Lviv got attacked. As you can see, a lot of places are protected by those small walls. Those are statues that are valuable art objects, some cathedrals, some churches. It's not gonna save them from the direct missile attack, but you know, it's better than nothing. So here we have a pub, quite a popular one now. And everything seems normal for now. A lot of journalists as well. As you can see, almost all of the stores are open, except for, you know, several exceptions. But the economy is working, the people are working for those that came here and they have no homes. But they can get their shelter and food and water and everything they need. So it's not as bad as it seems. That's what I was talking about. The oldest cathedral in Lviv. It has some 700 years of history. We have no humanitarian problems here, so we have enough food and water and homes to protect, to shelter everyone, but as you can see, everything gets covered up. Everybody is getting prepared for the upcoming thing. So here we are at the local pub. It's quite a big place now. And down there is a shelter. As you can see, there are a lot of people right here. Everybody's eating out, having their drinks, but if the air alarm goes off, they just go down there into the shelter and just hide there for sometimes half an hour, sometimes 2 hours, sometimes 4 hours. And that's how the life goes in Ukraine now.